Did you know that the first scientific study ever published on the topic of genetics was done by an Austrian monk in the 1860s? His name was Gregor Mendel. He loved biology and he studied pea plants in specific to figure out how genetic traits are passed down from one generation to the next. He crossed a green pea with a yellow pea, just pretend it's yellow. And he noticed that none of the offspring were green, but they were all yellow. And then when he crossed two of the yellow offspring, he noticed that one of them was green. So then he was like, wait, this green pea must have gotten a green traits that were hidden inside these two offspring, but originally came from the grandpa green pea. So he was the first one to come up with the idea of alleles, which is basically where you have two copies of every single gene, one from mom and one from dad, but the only one that gets expressed is the dominant one. In the case of the green and the yellow allele is dominant over the green one. That means that the green one is a recessive trait. But then when these two hybrid peas were able to produce their own offspring, this one received one green from mom and one green from dad, which allowed it to express the green trait because there were no dominant traits to get in the way. That's why Gregor Mendel is known as the father of genetics. Follow to learn more AP Bio.